Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to fix Twitter lag on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon and click on restart. After click on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on system. After click on system, click on reset phone and click on reset Wi-Fi setting. If you want to fix this problem, so click on reset. Enter phone pin, click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management and click on app list. And here showing you tutor. So click on tutor and click on storage cache if you want to fix this problem. So clear cache tutor app. After clear cache tutor app, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so last solution is software update. Click on settings app, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Twitter lag on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.